The fire stays, the fire stays. It never slows, yeah, it lives in the dark where the good sense fades and the cold wind blows. And everywhere I sleep, everywhere I wake, there's a sound in my blood like a chain gonna break. Yeah, it lives in the dark where the good sense fades and the cold wind blows. Hey, hey, oh, the thing I know won't let me go. Won't let me go. Won't let me go. I tried to run, I tried to hide, I tried to bury it alive, but every road comes back the same. Every spark calls out my name. I know the touch, I know the taste, I know the shape it always makes. And when I think I'm finally free, it comes back breathing next to me. Still there, still near, still under, still here. The thing I know won't let me go. It lives below. The thing I know. The thing I know won't let me go. Walking slow, let the silence speak. Italian shoes and a hard concrete. Gold on my wrist, smoke in my breath. I look this clean with a mind like that. No need loud, I don't chase the crown. Funny thing is, it just comes around. Whole room shift when I tilt my hat. One cold stare, now remember that. I don't beg, I don't borrow. I make kings out of my sorrow. Built this name with blood and proof. Now I wear power like a tailored suit. I'm the king of the room. Watch the whole thing move. When I step in black leather, people may wait too soon. Got that ice in my grip, got that fire in my shoes. I don't talk about winning, I just give them the proof. I've got scars on my hands, I got gold in my veins. I make glass out of chaos, made a throne out of pain. No, I don't need permission, I was born with a tune. Smooth as sin, sharp as truth. I'm the king of the room. Top shelf burnt in a crystal glass. I don't rush, I just let 'em ask how a man stay calm, that clean, that cold when he's carrying storms no one can hold. I've been broke, I've been bent, I've been counted out. Now I smile when I hear that doubt, 'cause the best revenge ain't shouting loud, it's arriving rich and above the crowd. I move clean, I move clever, style so sharp it could cut forever. Every loss made my vision vision bloom. Now I own every inch of the room. I'm the king of the room. Watch the whole thing move. When I step in black leather, people make way too soon. Got that ice in my grin, got that fire in my shoes. I don't talk about winning, I just give them the proof. I've got scars on my hands, I've got gold in my veins. I make glass out of chaos, made a throne out of pain. No, I don't need permission, I was born with a tune. Smooth as sin, sharp as truth. I'm the king of the room. Let them flick, let them front, I got weight they never become. Let them talk, let them pose. Real power never needs to be shown. It's the way I stand, it's the way I turn, it's the way they freeze when they know I've earned. I'm the king of the room. Yeah, the whole place knows. Every glance turns heavy when I straighten my clothes. Got that dark kind of charm, got that old money tone. Like a wolf in a waistcoat, sitting high on his throne. I've got smoke in my soul, I got steel in my spine. I made elegance dangerous and I made danger shine. No, I don't need applause, I let the silence resume. One look, one drink, one match. King of the room. Walk slow, suit black, eyes low, don't crack. Boss made, self-paid, room still checkmate. I came up from the red dirt pole with a black lung prayer and a boot kick wall. Every mile put a crack in my grin, every scar let the devil in. Sun went down and I kept my pace with a little more hell carved into my face. Got a long coat swinging like a warning sign, and a graveyard moon riding shotgun mine. You can hear them whisper when the wind cuts cold. There goes a man with a noose of gold. Ain't no saint, ain't no son, just a dead-eyed heart and a loaded tongue. I walk like the end with a match in my head, dust on my boots, blood on the land. If the devil wants dues, tell him get in line. I've been paying in bones since a harder time. I don't run, I don't kneel, I don't beg, I don't fold. I wear my fate like a noose of gold. When the sky turns black and the bells are grown, I'll still walk tall to the great unknown. Shell child once, then they learn real fast. Some men don't break, they just outlast. He saw my eyes in the lantern glow, took one step back, said let him go. I've slept with wolves and I've drank with ghosts, made peace with pain when it hurt the most. Now my name rolls low through the canyon walls like a curse that waits when the daylight falls. You can nail my sins to a chapel door, but that wood's heard darker prayers before. I got one life and a spiteful soul, and a debt so deep it turned me cold. I walk like the end with a match in my head, dust on my boots, blood on the land. If the devil wants dues, tell him get in line. I've blazing my veins, smoke in my chest, and a choir full of chains. If the heavens shut down, I'll survive the night with a grin.